Hello, my name is Morgan Peterson, and I am the co-founder of WireSpeed.
Hi, my name is Pete. I manage the full life cycle of software technologies in a variety of industries.
Hi, I'm Vic Pasapa, CTO of NodMD.
For the last 4 years, multiple times I've turned to Thinkitive Technologies for additional software engineering bandwidth, help with innovating something completely new, and sometimes just the bench strength to keep a SaaS product running healthy and keeping customers happy.
They are a huge benefit to our organization. We've used Thinkitive for almost a year now, and we've looked to them as our one-stop shop because of the fact that they have so many individuals with so much talent and really depth and breadth within their skill set. They've been extremely responsive and thorough with all of the work that they've done.
So to build Nod, we were looking for a partner who had the skill and the mindset to make this vision a reality. And I think we found that with Thinkitive. So the advantage of working with Thinkitive is that they bring great resources to the table, who have the right mindset to actually provide the solution and also have the technical know-how to deliver it, the aggressive timelines that we have.
I really enjoy working with them because I can provide an idea to them. We can jump on a call and we can really hash out that idea on a whiteboard. They bring other individuals in to discuss it further, and usually within several days they can come back and provide me with a quote on what it's going to take to provide that feature or that piece of technology that we're looking for. So we've really enjoyed the time that we've spent with them, and like I said, they're just a huge benefit to our organization.
I can highly recommend them.
It has been an amazing journey, having worked with the Thinkitive team, and I would highly recommend them, for anybody, not necessarily in the healthcare space, but who are looking for a technology partner to deliver on their needs, with regards to architecture, with regards to technical delivery as well.
And we look forward to working with them on future projects and further developing our solution as a whole. So thank you.